Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in fit, measure chest and arm, then pick the right compression level, typically 15-20 mmHg for performance. Once done, step into the top and feed your shoulders through slowly, smoothing fabric as you go so it sits like a second skin. Make sure shoulder seams align with your clavicle. That prevents bunching under the jersey. If you feel resistance, adjust sizing now so later layering is straightforward and mobility stays intact. Now you layer the jersey over the compression top. Pull the jersey down vertically to avoid catching seams. Work top edges over shoulders in controlled motions. Once the jersey is on, tuck the compression hem flat and use silicone grips or a bit of sports tape at the waist to stop riding. Make sure the armholes and shoulder lines allow full ROM, mimic sprint, throw, and reach movements to confirm there's no restriction or bunching that will distract you mid-game. Finish by performing a movement check for 5-10 minutes. Sprint, cut, raise arms, and simulate game actions to verify comfort and stability. Make sure blood flow is normal, no numbness, pins and needles, or discoloration. If you get any of those, loosen the compression or choose a different size. For longevity, wash inside out in cool water and avoid fabric softener. Troubleshooting tip. If you experience tingling or sharp pain, remove the compression immediately and reassess size and placement before returning to play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.